Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I'm here at 37 Foundry Street. This is Unit 1F located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a gorgeously updated, renovated first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And the renovations include a brand new vinyl wood flooring. You also have a fresh new paint job throughout this unit, newer kitchen appliances, and much more. So speaking of which, we're going to start our walkthrough in the kitchen area. So as you can see again, gorgeous new vinyl wood flooring throughout the entire unit. This is housed in every room, bathroom, bedrooms, kitchen, living room. The kitchen area itself houses brand new cabinetry. You got a good amount around the sink area here, plenty below and above. And on top of that, you have even more surrounding the stove. So plenty of kitchen storage to boot in this kitchen. On top of that, new countertops as well, new granite countertops throughout this kitchen. And as I stated before, new kitchen appliances. This includes the newer stainless steel refrigerator here in the corner. You also have a brand new dual bin stainless steel sink and a brand new 4-burner stainless steel stove and oven. Awesome. So that is basically your kitchen area. Let's go ahead now and check out the bathroom. Bathroom is housed in the kitchen, as you can see. And again, new flooring, new paint job. You have a claw tub hooked up and ready to go. Nice and reglazed, updated. And you have a new sink area to the left, along with a new mirror and vanity up above. Awesome. So that is your bathroom. Next, let's go ahead and check out the living area. So living space can kind of double as a dining room if you want. It does house the front entryway to your unit and is connected to one of the bedrooms. But again, new flooring, new paint, wide open window, lots of sunshine coming into this room. You have a good amount of room for really a couple different kinds of furniture setups, a good amount of room for maybe a sofa, entertainment system, TV, what have you. But it is just kind of a good open space in here, wide open layout. Awesome. So that is the living space that you have. Next, let's go ahead and check out the first of the 2 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom, of course, like I said, kind of housed in the living area. You have one entryway through the living area. And this bedroom, recommended bed size, I'd say just sticking with a standard to full Excel bed set is your best bet. I don't think a queen will fit in here, so standard to full Excel is best. But you do have your own closet space, nice wide open window. And I could see this doubling as an office space if you're just one person moving in here. This is a pretty good setup as an office, so just keep that in mind if you are one person moving in. Awesome. So, last but not least is the second bedroom. This bedroom has a little bit more of a wide open feel to it. You got a lot more room in here as far as that goes. But again, fresh paint, new flooring, wide open window. This one has a lot of sunshine coming into it. And recommended bed size, again, standard full Excel, but you could potentially swing a queen bed set in here. I definitely can think a queen would be able to fit in here much easier, so right in the corner is the closet. All right, so once again, this is 37 Foundry Street, Unit 1F in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have published on our website, and of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.